Hello students, so let's move ahead to the PYQs. Okay, so these are the important PYQs again. The total number of composite numbers in between 101 and 120. So you have to tell the composite number which are in between 101 and 120. First of all, you should know now what is composite number. Okay, so I have like discussed in our the previous classes the basic classes of the Ctet paper 1 and paper 2. Composite numbers are the numbers which are having more than two factors. Okay, more than two factors. So now you guys are going to tell me in the comment section the numbers which are having only two factors are called as what numbers. Okay, so this is your homework. Please do research that the numbers which are having only two factors are called what numbers. Now what is composite number, students? The numbers which are having more than two factors. So simply note it down. From 101 to 120, 102 is the composite number, 104 is composite number, 105. Okay, next comes 106, 108, 110, 111, 112. Okay, later on comes 114. 115 is the next composite number, 16 as well as 17, 18 and 19. 118 and 119. So total composite numbers which are in between 101 and 120 are 14. Okay, there are 14 composite numbers lying in between them. Rational numbers between -5/6 and 3/8. You have to tell the rational numbers. Okay, now here in between -5/6 and 3/8 they are talking. Now -5/6 also can be written as -0.83. Do you agree with this? Yes, -0.83 or -5/6, one and the same only. Similarly, 3/8 can be written as 0.37. So we have to tell the rational numbers which are in between -0.83 and 0.37. Simply what you do guys here, convert these given fractions into the like point numbers. After giving the decimal point, it will be 0.87. Okay, so minus sign is there, hence -0.87. This will give me 0.88. Agree? This will give me 1/3. It means it is 0.33, and 5/6. It means it is 0.83. Now the number which is in between 0.83 and 0.37 is 0.33. Hence option number C is the correct answer for given question. Moving ahead. Now one disclaimer that I want to tell you guys here is uh, the questions which I have mentioned here are incomplete due to the reason that I was not able to type this particular question. If a 504, so simply note it down. If 504 is equal to 2 raised to p, okay, into 3 raised to q into 7 raised to r, this is the question. Okay, then you have to tell what is the value for 2p plus q minus r. So how to solve this question? Just go for the prime factorization method. Okay, by prime factors, if I find the factors by prime factorization method of 504, I'll get 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are, and 2 2s are. Okay, simply do it with me. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are. Okay, later on this will give me, again I'll divide it by 2, then 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are. Okay, 63. If I again divide it by for example 3, okay, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are, this will give me 7 3s are 21 and 3 1s are 3. Correct? So everything is correct till now. I had just taken one pause to check whether everything that I have written is correct or not. Yes, it is correct. Okay, now look here. So by prime factorization method 504, okay, the factors are 2 cube into 3 square, okay, into 7. Look here, 2 is 3 times, yes, 3 is 2 times, and 1 is only 7 is only 1 time. So the value of p will be equal to 3, the value of q will be equal to 2, and the value of r is equal to 1. So insert these values in the equation. 2p plus q minus r, this will give me 2 into, sorry, 2, just a minute, This will give me 2 into 3 plus 2 minus 1. That is equal to 6 plus 2 minus 1. This will give me total 7. Option number C is the correct answer for the given question. I hope you have got this question. Okay. Moving ahead. Question number 4. Now again this question is missing over here. I'll note it down. Just simply note it down. I'll write here. Okay. Now question number 4 is cube root of 8 raised to 4 into cube root of 125 raised to 2, okay, divided by under root of 4 raised to 3. You have to simply solve this given equation. Now, can I write 8 raised to 4 in the form of 8 into 8 into 8 into 8? Yes. Okay, into again cube root of 125 into 125 because the power was 2 over there, and again divide this by square root of 4 into 4 into 4. This will give me 64. 4 ka cube is 64. Okay. Now, the cube root of 8 is what? If I see only for 8, the cube root of 8 is what? 2. So, for each 8 over here, can I write 2? That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Yes. So, again, 125, the cube of 5. So, this can be written as 5 into 5. Okay. Divided by under root of 64 can be written as 8. After solving all of this, okay, that is 2 into 2 into 2, this will give me total is equal to how much? 16 into 25 divided by 8. So I'll get total value 16 into 25 upon 8. This is equal to, sorry, something is wrong over here. I think on my side only. Okay. 8 2s are 16. This will give me 25 into 2 is equal to 50. So 50 is the correct answer for the given question. Moving ahead to question number 5. LCM and HCF of two numbers are given to you, 1485 and 33 respectively. Okay, LCM is 1485 and the HCF is 33. If one of the number is divided by 31, the quotient is 9 and the remainder is 18. What are the numbers? Now look here, so what is the other number? You have to find it out. LCM is equal to how much? 1485. And the HCF is equal to how much? 33. Now here, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. If you know this, then you can solve it. Look here now. We know the divisor over here is 31. Okay. Quotient is 9 and the remainder is 18. Hence, we'll get the dividend is equal to 297 after solving this. Okay. So here I got the value of dividend. If A is that one number whose value is 297, we have to find the value of B, guys. Okay, and what is asked? A into B. This is equal to, always remember, HCF into LCM. Okay, so here we have to find the value of B, correct? So B will be equal to 33 into 1485 divided by the value of A over here is 297. After solving this, I'll get the value of B is equal to 165. Option number A is the correct answer for given question. Now look here, if you have doubt in any question which I'm explaining here, then you can simply mention that particular question in the comment section. Moving ahead, if x is subtracted from each 26, 24, 56 and 49, the numbers so obtained in the orders are in proportion. So here you have to find the value of, please note it down, 2x minus 6 upon 2. This was missing into the question. Okay, 2x minus 6 upon 2. Now how to solve this? Look here. 26 minus x. Okay, why? Because we are subtracting x from each here. Okay, and we have to find the ratio of it. So 24 minus x is equal to 56 minus x upon 49 minus of x. If I look at the given numbers over here, 26, 24, 56 and 49. What is the difference, guys? The difference between these two numbers is of 2. Yes, difference between 56 and 49 is of how much? It is of 7. So simply multiply this. Okay, how come? Look here. X will be equal to 26 into 7. Okay, the number which is bigger on the other side, multiplied by 7. Okay, on the other side 56 multiply it by 2. Okay, because the difference was 2, so divided by 5. Why I have taken 5? We have to take the difference of 7 and 2. Look here, difference between 26 and 24 was 2. Difference between 56 and 49 was 7. So the difference are 2 and 7 over here. So if I take the difference of the difference, I'll get 7 minus 2 is equal to 5, and I'm dividing it by that number only. So this will give me 182 minus 112. Okay, divided by 5, the total value will be equal to 14. Okay, I got the value of x, but what I have to find? The value of 2x minus 6 divided by 2. So after inserting or putting the value of x in the given equation, I'll get the total value will be equal to 22 upon 2, that is equal to 11. So 11 is the answer for the given question. Moving ahead to question number 7. Now question number 7 is missing again. A common factor to both. Now look here, what is the missing data? X square plus 7x plus 12. Okay, we have to find out the common factor for these two given equation, x square minus 5x minus 36. How to do this, guys? Very easy. What you have to do, you can use the splitting middle term method. Okay, so x square plus 7x plus 12, and here it was x square minus 5x minus 3. So if I use the splitting middle term method over here, I'll get x square plus 4x plus 3x. Why? Because the addition of both is 7x and their multiplication is 12. Okay, this is how we do, correct? So this will give me plus 12. So if I take common value in both of this term, I'll get x in common, x plus 4. If here I see what is the common value, then the common value is 3. So x plus 4. Okay, now x plus 4 is common, so I'll take one common value, and what is left? X plus 3 is left. If I look for the other equation over here, again x square minus 9x plus 4x minus 36. This will give me again x in common, x minus 9. Here again if I see, if I take 4 in common, I'll get x minus 9. So x minus 9 is common, okay, and x plus 4 is the left out term. So what is common on both the sides, students? The common is x plus 4 for both the equations. So x plus 4 is the answer for given question. Simply by using this splitting method, you can solve this. Moving ahead to next question now, question number 8. So again, this question is missing, no doubt. We'll just simply write it over here. So if question is 4 minus, okay, 2 into x minus 4 upon 3 is equal to 1 by 2, 2x plus 5, then you have to find the value of 2x plus 1 upon 2. Now, it is very easy question, okay? Simply solve it by making the denominator same. Now look here, it is nothing but, can I take 1? Okay, in case of 4, the denominator is not mentioned. But if the denominator is not mentioned, the denominator should be 1. So first of all, here subtraction is carried out. In case of fraction, I have told you before also, the denominator should be same if we are carrying out the addition and subtraction. Okay, so to make it same, I will multiply here with 3. Why? Because here it is 3, so hence I have multiplied it here also by 3, because I have to make it same. So the rule is, if you are multiplying it on the either side, that is numerator or denominator, you have to make the function similar on the other side. So here I have multiplied the denominator with 3, so I'll multiply the numerator also with 3. I'll get the total value 12 minus 2 into x minus 4 upon 3. Okay, so just keep it as it is. I'll just tell you, I have just told you over this the step over here. Now what I'll do is, guys, simply I'll multiply this 2 with the given bracket, minus 2 with the given bracket. So I'll get the total value. I don't have much space, I'm so sorry. Okay, no issue, I'll just write it again, no problem. Look here, what was the question? 4 minus 2 into x minus 4 upon 3. Okay, this is equal to 1 by 2, 2x plus 5. This was the question. Okay, what we have to find it out later on, I'll tell you. Okay, first of all, now look here, to make the denominator same, I have multiplied it by 3 on the numerator side also and in the denominator side also. So I'll get the total value 12 upon 3. Okay, 12 upon 3. I'll just keep 3 like for common for both the like both the fraction values given here. Simply I'll multiply this 2 with this bracket. Now this will give me minus 2x. Minus 2 into minus 4 will give me plus of 8 divided by 3 in common. Okay, so this will give me 2x plus 5 divided by 2. Okay, so later on if I multiply, okay, I'll get, look here, instead of multiplying, I'll first of all do the operation. 12 plus 8, this will give me 20. 20 minus 2x divided by 3 is equal to 2x plus 5 divided by 2. Now multiply it. Multiply 2 on this side, multiply 3 on this side. So I'll get 40 minus 4x is equal to 6x plus 15. Okay, so the value that I'm going to get here is 4x. If I take this on the other side and 15 on this side, this will give me 40 minus 15, okay, is equal to 6x plus 4x, that is equal to 10x. So the value of x will be equal to 25 upon 10. Okay, so this is equal to 5 upon 2. But here do we have to find the value of x? No, we have to find the value of 2x plus 1 upon 2. This is mentioned into the question guide. I'm so sorry for the inconvenience happened. Okay, so now we got the value of x. Just insert it in the given equation. 2 into 5 by 2 plus 1, okay, divided by 2. 2 will get cancelled on both the side. 5 plus 1 will give me 6. 6 upon 2 is equal to 3. So 3 is the answer for the given question. I hope you have understood this. Okay, so moving ahead to the question number 9. So students, again, I think the question is missing over here. Just let me check the data. I'm so sorry for the inconvenience again happening from my end. Yeah. So now look at this question. If x plus y is equal to 3 and x square plus y square is equal to 29, here the missing thing was x square plus y square. Okay, this is x square plus y square is equal to 29. You have to find the value of 1 upon x plus 1 upon y. Okay, now how to find out this value? Look here, 1 upon x plus 1 upon y is equal to, this can be written as y into x upon y plus x into xy. Do you agree with this, everyone? Y plus x into divided by xy. Yes, so this will give me x plus y. It is mentioned into the question, this is equal to 3. If I take square on both the side, what will I get, students? X square plus y square plus 2xy. Why? Because x plus y the whole square can be written as a square plus b square plus 2ab, in that format. Okay, so x square plus y square plus 2xy is equal to 9. Now what is mentioned into the question? X square plus y square value is mentioned, that is equal to 29. 29 plus 2xy is equal to 9. Correct? So here 2xy will be equal to 9 minus 29 will give me minus 20. So the value of xy will be equal to minus of 10. Okay, but here students, we have to find the value of 1 upon x plus 1 upon y. This will give me x plus y upon xy, which I have told you before. Now we know the value of x plus y, this is equal to 3. We got the value of x minus y, this is equal to minus 10. So the value will be equal to minus 3 upon 10. So answer for this given question is minus 3 upon 10. Okay, so we'll see in the next questions in the next part.